This is an assembly video for the Simple Houseware Garment Rack with 3-bag laundry sorter. For an easier time, you can separate the different parts before following these step-by-step instructions. Push down the metal button on part Q and insert into part P until it clicks into place. Do this to create 5 sets. Using 3 of the sets you just created, attach part O on each end with the shorter hardware screws. Tighten the hardware with the included Allen wrench. Then, install the wheels to the bottom of the frame. Install the wheel first, then apply the washer on the other end and screw the cap in over it. Next, take part N and attach part U on either side. First, run the long hardware screws through one bracket. Insert through part N, then attach the other bracket to the other side like so. Secure the parts together by attaching the caps on the ends of the hardware. Do this to create 2 sets. Take the side brackets you just created and install them together using the 2 remaining horizontal rods. Connect parts E and F by pushing down the metal button and snapping them together. With all the main components ready, begin stacking them together with the side brackets over the base first, then the remaining part D rods over on top. Finish the frame by attaching the chrome hanging rod. Prepare the laundry bags by inserting the metal handles through the bag openings. Once all 3 bags are ready, hang them onto the laundry sorter frame to complete the assembly.